Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a chicken curry into the saucepan, and I'm going to put that out in the solar cooker, and we'll see how that goes. At the moment it's about 20 past 11 in the morning, so I figure it's going to be ready at the latest mid-afternoon. So what I've got here is I've just got some chicken, a couple of chicken breasts, coarsely diced, cubed and whatever, about 3 centimetre cubes. I've got a mix of some different ingredients there. I've got some garlic, just the crushed garlic you buy in the jar. Some onion, cut up an onion fairly coarsely. I've got a can of crushed tomatoes, about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Got some salt, and some tandoori paste, of course. A couple of tablespoons of tandoori paste. Won't be a really hot curry, just a bit of curry flavour really, because I didn't have much tandoori paste left. In here I've got some onions. Well, the onions actually are in there. Yes, onions, carrot, mushroom and potatoes. So throw that all in the saucepan and see how it goes.